Let's start. The project name is Sqlite. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, a model class, and a database manager class. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have some edit texts to insert, update, and delete some data in the database. Few buttons like the insert data button, retrieve button, update button, delete button. Let's see the code. The scroll view is the root layout. This is the constraint layout. This is an edit text to insert data. This is the insert data button. This is the retrieve data button. This is an edit text to update data, which is the old data. This is an edit text to update data, which is the new data. This is the update data button. This is an edit text to delete data. This is the delete data button. Let's see the Java code now. This is the model class. This is the data that will be inserted, updated, retrieved, deleted in and from the database. These are the imports. This is the database manager class. These are the data members. It has database name, table name, column names, database version number. This is how we create and upgrade a database. This is the insert data function. This function retrieves the data by an ID. This function retrieves all the rows from the table. This function calculates the number of rows in the table. This function updates data in the database. This function deletes data from the database. These are the imports. This is the main activity that implements the onClick listener interface that handles the onClick events of the buttons. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, we set the onClick listener of the buttons. Then we configure the database. When the insert data button is clicked, we get the data to be inserted from the edit text and then insert the data in the database like this. When retrieve data button is clicked, this is how we retrieve the data from the database. When the update data button is clicked, first, we get the data to be updated from the edit text, then we loop through the database and check if this data actually exists in the database or not. Then we get the new data from the edit text, and update the old data with a new one like this. When the delete data button is clicked, first, we get the data to be deleted from the edit text. Then we check if that data actually exists in the database or not, and then we delete that data from the database like this. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement Sqlite in Java Android. Thanks for watching.